Okay, today I'm going to replace a Toyota Yaris model RS. This is a 2006 model. It's a good car, but a little bit aging. So what I need to do is replace the oxygen sensor, and I use the scanner to scan it. And basically, the problem of the sensor is the bank 1 sensor 1. So here's the old sensor. Okay, and you can see that the condition is really bad. Okay, and also the heat element has already burned, so it must be replaced. And a lot of people, they need to do it underneath. I also go to some garage. They crazily quote me the job is about like a $600, but this sensor actually is about like a $280. With labor is only about like a 300 and 400 including tax. So and also the garage that I have is not very honest. So it turns out I buy the sensor, so this one should be thrown away. And then most of the people, they will do it from the bottom, and today I try to do it from the above. So first of all, remove the engine cover. It's very simple. So you just loosen these two, and then take out these two, in total 4, and then you can pull up. And the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is at the back of the engine. So here's the new one that I have installed. You can see that it's brand new. Okay, and make sure that when you install the new oxygen sensor, have the anti-seize on the thread. Okay, so I just put it back, and according to the size of the sensor, and actually is 22 meters. Okay, here's the wedge I use, and this is 22 centimeters. Okay, hopefully you can see it. And I just use this one, and luckily it's not very tight. So I use a lot of like sensor removal socket, but turns out it's not very successful. And so you can see that I have pretty, even though it's very narrow here, and then but still have enough space for me to put this wrench into it. What I need to do is remove one of the holes, and here's the one, hook up from the back here and back to here. Okay, so I remove this one, and then so allow me have enough space to do it. And now I tighten it, and then now I go ahead to put the engine cover back, and also put the hose back, then reset the computer. So that's it. I want to just give my 2 cents to all those who are interested to replace your own sensor. Okay, so here's the sensor. Okay, bang 1 sensor 1. The other one is at the bottom, is for the sensor 2. There's only one band on the Yaris. Okay, have a good day. Hopefully this helped. Okay, take care. Okay, give you a close up here. Okay.